In this video we will learn about stocks. So let's start. So how can you track the value of stocks? So stock quotes are used to track how stocks are performing in the market. Stock quotes are organized in stock tables which can be found in newspapers and internet sites such as Yahoo, MSN and Google. So this is an example of a stock quote. So in the first column it says 52 weeks high, then it is 52 weeks low, and then it is the stock name and this is the ticker name. So let's say the the lowest point of ResMed was $19.75 in a given year and 45.39 high in a given year. The profit earning ratio was 52.5 and the year till date change is negative 8.5. So the stock has dropped minus 8.5% in the last 1 year. So this is how you can read the stock chart. So let's say here this is column 1 and 2. This is 52 week high and low. Then it is company name and type of stock. Then the fourth one is ticker symbol. So the ticker symbol is unique alphabetic name which identifies the stock. When looking for stock quotes online, you search for a company by the ticker symbol. So whenever you want to search for a particular stock, you have to use the ticker symbol. Then fifth column is dividend per share. So if the row is empty, if the cell is empty, that means the particular stock have not given any dividend in the last 1 year. So the dividend per share, the estimate of the anticipated yearly dividend per share in dollars and cents. If this space is blank, the company does not currently pay out dividends. Sixth column is price earning ratio. It shows the relationship between a stock price and the company's earnings for the last 4 quarters, calculated by dividing the current price per share by the earnings per share. Column number 7 is year to date percentage change. So reports gain or loss in each stock price as a percentage of its price on January 1st. Column number 8 is trading volume. The total number of shares traded for the day in hundreds. So we have to add 2 zeros to the end of the number listed to get the actual number traded. So let's take this Rigi BR. So the volume is 15. That means 1500 stocks were traded for that particular day. Column number 9 and 10 are day high and low. So the column number first and second was year high and low. So now we are talking about the day high and low. The price range at which the stock has traded throughout the day. These are the maximum and minimum prices that people have paid for the stock. Column number 11 is the closing price. The last trading price recorded when the market closed on the day. If the closing price is up or down more than 5% than the previous day, the entire listing for that stock is bold-faced. Column number 12, net change. The change in the stock price from the previous day's closing price in dollars. When the net change is positive, it is recorded as being up for the day. So not all sources display stock quotes the same way. Let's explore a stock table. So let's see this is stock table. So the first stock is AT&T Inc. The closing price was $25.20. The change was 0.04 percentage. Dividend was 1.64. Profit earning ratio was 12. Year to date change was negative 11.6. That means the AT&T has dropped minus 11.6 percentage in the last 1 year, and the 52-week high and low is 40.70 and 20.90 respectively. Then the next one is Alcatel. The closing price was 1.86. The change is 0.08%, and there is no dividend and there is no profit earning ratio data available. The year to date change is negative 13.5, and the 52-week high and low were 7.76 and 1.09. Then the next stock is Cisco. The closing price was $16.77. The change is 0.46 percentage. The profit earning ratio is 13. Year to date change is positive 2.9 percentage, and the 52-week high and low is 27.72 and 13.61. Then the next one is Citigroup. The closing price of Citigroup was 2.53. The change is 0.22 percentage positive. The dividend is 0.04 per share, and the year to date change is negative 62.3. That means the stock has dropped more than half in the last 1 year, and the 52-week high and low were 27.35 and 0.97. Next one is Comcast. So the closing price for the Comcast was 13.64. The change is negative 0.01. Dividend per share is 0.27. Profit earning ratio is 16. Year to date change is negative 19.2. 52-week high and low were 22.86 and 11.10. Next one is ExxonMobil. The closing price for ExxonMobil was 68.1. The change is negative 0.53. Dividend is 1.6. Profit earning ratio is 8. Year to date change is minus 14.7 percentage. The 52-week high and low were 92, 96.12 and 56.51. Next one is General Electric. The closing price was $10.11. The change is positive 0.18. Dividend per share is 0.40. Profit earning ratio per share is 6. Year to date change is negative 37.6 percentage. 52-week high and low were 38.52 and 5.73. Next one is Home Depot. The closing price for Home Depot was 23.56. Change is 0.18 percentage. Dividend is 0.90. The profit earning ratio is 18 per share. The year to date change is 2.3% positive. That means the price is increased only 2.3% in the last 1 year. 52-week high and low are 30.74 and 17.05. Next one is Intel. The closing price for Intel is 15.03. Change is 0.31%. Dividend is 0.56. PE is 16. Year to date change is 2.5%. 52-week high and low are 25.29 and 12.05. Next one is IBM. The closing price is 96.89. Change is 2.37. Dividend is $2 per share. PE is 11. Year to date change is positive 15.1%. 52-week high and low are 130.93 and 69.50. Next one is John John. Closing price is 52.60. Change is $0.41. Dividend is 1.84 per share. Profit earning ratio is 12. Year to date changes negative 12.1. 52 week high and low are 72.76 and 46.25. Next one is LSI Corp. Closing price is 3.04. The change is only 0.01 negative. Year to date changes 7.6 negative. 52 week high and low are 7.87 and 2.36. Microsoft closing price was 18.37. Change is only 0.89 percentage. Dividend is 0.52 per share. Profit earning ratio is 10. Year to date change is negative 5.5 percentage. 52 week high and low are 32.10 and 14.87. Next one is Oracle. Closing price was 18.07. Change is 0.41 percentage positive. Dividend is $0.20 per share. Profit earning ratio is 16. Year to date change is 1.9 positive. 52 week high and low is 23.62 and 13.80. Next one is Pfizer. Closing price of Pfizer was 13.62. Change is actually negative, that is 0.08. Dividend is $1.28 per share. Profit earning ratio is 11 only. Year to date changes negative 23.1. 52 week high and low is 21.60. 52 week low is 11.62. Next one is Time WMRS. Closing price was 19.30. Change was 1.07 positive. Year to date changes minus 13.5 percentage. 52 week high and low were 37.47 and 15.41. Next one is Verizon Com. Closing price was 30.20. Change is negative 0.02. Dividend per share is $1.84 per share. Profit earning ratio is 13 only. Year to date changes negative 10.9. 52 week high and low is 39.94 and 23.07. Last one is Walmart. The closing price is 52.10. Change is 0.30 positive percentage. Dividend per share is 1.09 per share. Profit earning ratio is 15. Year to date change percentage is negative 7.1. 52 week high and low were 63.85 and 46.25. So that's how you read the stocks. So this was everything about the stocks, and this video